Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Sort and rinse 2 cups dried PWA because removing stones and bad beans prevents off flavors. Soak 8 hours or quick boil for 1 hour if short on time. While beans soak, chop 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 bell pepper, and 1 hot pepper. This becomes your flavor base. Once done, heat 1/4 cup oil. Brown a touch to carry aromas. Make sure to have 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tsp bouillon, and a bay leaf at hand before cooking. Once beans are tender, drain and reserve cooking liquid. You want soft beans so the sauce is creamy. Blend about 1/2 cup of the cooked beans with the chopped aromatics and tomato paste into a coarse puree. This gives body and bright flavor. Then stir the puree back into the pot with the remaining beans and enough reserved liquid to reach a stew consistency. Make a small roux in a separate pan or whisk 1 tablespoon corn flour with cold water to thicken. Simmer 10-15 minutes to marry flavors. You finish by tasting and adjusting. Add 1 tsp vinegar or lime to lift the sauce, plus more salt if needed, and simmer 5-10 minutes so flavors settle. Once done, serve the sauce PWA with rice, fried plantains, or bread. Garnish with scallion or parsley for freshness. If things go wrong, like the sauce is too thin, reduce on medium heat to concentrate, or whisk 1 tsp corn flour with cold water and stir in slowly. If it tastes dull or bitter, a small pinch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.